Hey guys, Jeff here. Today a little vlog. You can come along, follow what I'm doing. I'm going to the river, have some fun, take some photos, and then do a little tutorial for the next YouTube video. So stay tuned, come along and have a look. Let's start. As you guys can see, it's beautiful weather. Sun is shining, there's some clouds, and everything's green. So, how do you edit your picture correctly? There are 3 tips I'm gonna give you. First one is you have to know what you're going for before you start editing. Otherwise, you might easily over-edit your picture. Second tip, shoot your picture as close to the look of what you want to achieve. This will make your editing process much easier at the end. And third, know your editing apps. So if you have Lightroom, Adobe Photoshop, Snapseed for your mobile, you have to play with them, get to know them, know what you're doing, which will make it much easier, and you will achieve your looks much faster than you took your picture, you're not happy with it, and now you're going to look on which editing app to use, and then you get disappointed. This might be an issue for you. So know your editing apps, know them. I'll go over 2 editing apps on my YouTube channel as well, so if you're looking for the right editing apps, stick with my channel, subscribe, like this video, and we'll see ourselves in the next one.